Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Here's how to add your contact email in Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Ready? Let's dive in. You have to open Instagram. Make sure that your account is on professional mode. After that, go to your profile, press Edit Profile. Under the public business information, press Contact Options. Under the business email, put your business email. Press Save. After that, go under Profile Display, press that, and enable Display Contact Info. Done. To make sure, press Done. And after that, to make sure that your email is successfully shown, press your contact. And you will see your email below. And that's done. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.